Hello guys, welcome back to day 27 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And in this video, we will learn about useNavigate hook. Let's get started. So let us say there is one use case. Whenever user is on our contact page, after 5 seconds, we want to redirect our user to home page. So to implement that, let's use effect hook. I will alert user that redirecting to home page. Also, I will use set timeout of 5 seconds. So to redirect our user, I'll be using useNavigate hook. So I'll create constant navigate and I will use this useNavigate hook from React router DOM like this. And after 5 seconds, I'll be navigating user to home page. This slash path. So we can give any path like /about/contact to this navigate function. So this useNavigate hook returns a function. We are naming it as a navigate, and this navigate function accepts a path wherever we want to navigate our user to. So let's see on our front end. So currently we are on our home page. We will go to the contact page. So we are getting alert, and let's see after 5 seconds we are redirected to the home page. So again I'll go to contact page. We are getting this alert, and after 5 seconds, as you can see, we are getting back to the home page. So that is the use case of the useNavigate hook. Whenever we want to programmatically redirect user to any path, we use this useNavigate hook. And that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.